Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever wanted to turn a simple sketch photo or any design into something more polished and creative, today's video is for you. We are diving into how to use image to image feature of Playground AI, which is one of the coolest tools for transforming your visuals with the power of AI. So whether you are an artist, a designer, content creator, or just someone who is curious about AI art, this feature lets you upload your own image and reimagine it in hundreds of different of ways like styles, lighting, characters, scenes, and you name it. So in this video, I will walk you through everything step by step, like how you can upload your image, how you can just give it a prompt, and how you can control how much of the original images it keep versus transforms, all using with the help of a Playground AI interface. No code, no fuss. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links mentioned in the description of this video. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, we will start by opening Playground. So you can either come on playground.com or you can search for Playground AI in the search bar, and then you can come on this page. Now once you are over here, you will see this creators tab in the top, then we have the pricing tab, then you can download this application if you have an iOS device, and here you can get started here for free. Now if we click on creator, if you are a creator, you can just become a creator with Playground and you can earn extra perks and benefits, and you can even get passive income. So if you want to apply for that, click the apply now button, and from here you can just simply apply for it by providing your username, your country of residence, and a bunch of other details. Now if we go to pricing, the best part about Playground AI is that you can start using it absolutely for free. You will be able to create 5 images every 3 hours, and you can use the images commercially as well, which no any other free tool provides you. Okay, so you can use it commercially as well. But if you want to go with their pro designing feature, it will going to cost you $12 per month if you just select their annual plan. That will save you 20%. Now here, once you are on this create page, you will see a bunch of different templates to choose from. You can even just click on the templates option, and now it is going to ask you to create your account at Playground. So we will start by creating our account. So select the email option, and over here you need to provide your email address, then press continue. After that, it will ask that they have sent an verification code on your email, so you just have to come on your email, and from here you need to just copy this code and you need to come back and paste it over here and press continue. So this way you have created your account. Now you need to see all of the templates, like you can select any of the templates of your choice, and if you go to the my design section, you will see all of the designs that you have created. Now here you will see share with me. If someone has shared any of the designs with you, you will be able to see that on this page as well. Now if we go back on create, you will see a bunch of different things here like stickers, mockups, logos, and a bunch of other things. But here, if you want to upload and edit your image, simply click on the upload and add it, and from here you just have to simply download your image. So let's say I'm going to download or upload this image, and now we are in this section where you can change the style of your image, and you will see a bunch of different styles like pastel dream, pure visualization, retro charm, anything. So let's say I've selected this one, and now you can just describe your editing. You can type, let's say, I am very happy and I am in a forest maybe. So you just have to simply provide the prompt, and then you just have to press enter. After that, it will take some time and it will generate the image for you. It will show you the output, which you can just export from here, and you can even share it with someone else. If you don't like any of the responses, you can just undo and redo that with the help of this undo and redo option. You will also see the erase option in the top, so you can use that erase option in order to erase any of the parts over here. As you can see, this image looks completely genuine. However, it has changed changed the character of mine, it has changed the image. But here you can just resize the image, you can just change the color palette, you can just play with your photo in whichever manner you want to do. Now if you want to export it, simply click on the export option in the top right hand corner, click on the download option, and it will be in your desktop. So this is how you can just start using the image to image feature from Playground AI. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.